Alibaba.com's new AI features are helping change how people do e-commerce. With just a simple prompt, you can explore the new product opportunities in your niche. Design products with complex technical requirements. Find the verified manufacturers for almost any item. And do a detailed business analysis, looking at emerging trends and competing products. What's shocking is just how simple it is to use. When my family ran online stores, we had no idea how to source suppliers, so we made critical mistakes. When I moved to Silicon Valley, I analyzed data from tens of thousands of fast-growing e-commerce sellers. I also received formal e-commerce training at the Kellogg School of Management. Then I realized how many unnecessary detours we had taken back then. Nowadays, Alibaba.com AI features can help businesses avoid those same pitfalls in as little as 5 minutes. Had I had this feature back then, I'd probably have achieved financial freedom long ago. In this video, I'll explain how to use Alibaba.com's new features to seize profitable opportunities and stay competitive in the AI age. This includes tutorials with examples. We'll cover two major features. First is Alibaba.com AI mode, which helps you find suppliers, design products, analyze your business, and discover new product opportunities. Second is the Alibaba Lens Chrome extension. This takes screenshots of products and helps you find similar items from high-quality manufacturers. Alibaba.com's AI mode is a one-stop AI assistant for procurement. Simply go to Alibaba.com and click AI mode in the middle. Type in whatever you want. You can also upload an image or file. I wrote, trending product I can sell for around $100. This prompt seems like a simple way to explore potential opportunities. Alibaba.com's AI gives me very concrete suggestions. Number 1 is an LED light therapy mask. Number 2 is a portable mini projector. I can follow up with the AI to guide the recommendations. Maybe I want something trending in Indonesia or something that doesn't require batteries. Let's try the Indonesia example. Alibaba.com suggests halal beauty and skincare. Sounds like a good niche to get repeat purchases. But AI mode does much more than just discover products. You can find verified manufacturers and design products and promotional materials. For example, you might combine design elements from a trending theme or holiday with your current product line. Analyze bestsellers, evaluate market potential, and discover emerging trends to hop on before your competitors do. You can put in very complex requirements. For example, find manufacturers with key certifications who can make air filters with very specific purposes and parameters, and focus only on suppliers that can do small customized production runs. This guy sold $1 billion worth of air filters. I could upload his photo to find comparable products to sell. You could just type in your audience and their needs and let Alibaba.com suggest a product, perhaps something that would expand your share of wallet with current customers. Or maybe you just need quick production for an upcoming event, such as giveaways at a trade show featuring your logo. The AI can even draft emails for you. Look at this prompt for selling water bottles in the Philippines. Here is the email it generated with details such as sizes, materials, and feature requirements. The AI can quickly compare products and suppliers to meet whatever unique needs you have. The design features are also very powerful. You might take popular themes such as visual styles from shows like Squid Game as inspiration for new products, while respecting relevant IP rules. I'll upload an image with the Squid Game's icon and ask for an umbrella concept for kids. Here, the first concept looks good, but maybe I want something even more distinctive. I'll ask the AI to add an iconic handle, and then find me a manufacturer. It gave me a more distinctive handle that is more difficult for competitors to copy. I'm impressed that it found a way to incorporate all 3 icons instead of just one, and it recommended a supplier with 20 years experience. You could follow a similar process to turn iconic buildings into local gifts, to test out new product ideas, to turn everyday items into viral products by piggybacking on big trends. You can use one of your competitors' best-selling products as inspiration. Just ask the AI to put your own twist on it. At Kellogg, our professor shared a counterintuitive truth. Most successful product innovation rarely starts from scratch, but from imitation. Kevin O'Leary from the Shark Tank, for example, made a fortune by modeling after a successful product and just selling it at a lower price. Sometimes business is more about execution than originality. It's not rocket science. Entrepreneurs struggle when they try too hard to be unique, instead of just giving the market what it wants. And if you don't know what the market wants, Alibaba.com can help you better understand demand. In Silicon Valley, market analysis that once required us to build complex data models, competitor research, trend forecasting, and demand assessment can now be finished in seconds via Alibaba's AI. Frankly speaking, our team used to spend weeks on the same work. You can also design a product to fit a very specific use case. Example, I'm having a hard time finding a case for a certain headphone amplifier, so I asked Alibaba to build one. Look how specific these requirements are. The AI can handle tremendous detail. The result looks pretty impressive. It's transparent, functional, and protective. I can modify it however I want. Now let's use AI mode for business analysis. I know that products for creators and influencers are growing in popularity. Let's validate if we can make money selling them recording lights and who the suppliers are to work with. The opportunity looks promising. The AI did the research and synthesis in a matter of seconds. We can see strong, growing demand. Now, one of the promising features is product research. You could analyze bestsellers in your niche to break down why they succeeded, uncover unmet needs, and design new products. Maybe you can build a product around a rising trend and start prototyping with manufacturers. Let's do that using the niche of portable fans like Jizu Life. I wrote a paragraph asking the AI various questions and providing context. Here's what AI mode gave me. A bladeless portable fan. Pretty impressive. It reminds me a bit of Dyson, but certainly not a copy. This recommendation isn't random. It's based on emerging trends and an analysis of a leading competitor. That's the power of Alibaba.com's AI. Before we move on to Alibaba Lens, let's summarize the 4 key use cases for AI mode. Number 1, verified manufacturer research. Number 2, product design. Number 3, business analysis. And number 4, product research. Back when my family ran our first online shop, finding a reliable supplier was all about who you knew or pure luck. I once spotted that iconic Alexander McQueen umbrella selling for over $500. So I scrambled to find a supplier through random third-party listings, picked one completely on a whim, and started selling it. No clue if the supplier was trustworthy or if the product would even hold up. Today, none of that blind guesswork. Just taking a screenshot of any product you love can be done with Alibaba Lens, and this helps you find a valid supplier. Alibaba Lens is the easiest way to find products to sell using AI. Just take a screenshot of a product you like, and Alibaba Lens finds similar products at a lower price. These headphones I bought sell for over $2,000. Maybe you noticed a new product that's selling at ridiculously high prices. Selling a well-priced alternative can be one way to compete in a market where some products are sold at very high prices. Or maybe you noticed a surge in demand for some basic trending product like colorful water bottles. Just snap a picture of one and start selling it yourself. You deserve a piece of that demand. Since I installed the Alibaba Lens Chrome extension, you can see the little orange icon on the right. Install the extension from the Chrome web store to unlock that orange button. Press the button and take a screenshot of the product. You'll get a list of products and suppliers on the right. Note that the first product here is just the ear pad accessories, while the second is actual headphones. I clicked one product that looked good. I suggest pressing Get Sample, which is only $8 in this case. That way you can test out the product before selling it. The price goes down based on the volume you order. You can also chat with the supplier. Here, you can see that this is a gold supplier with 7 years on the platform. One of the great things about working with Alibaba.com is that it can help you reduce your risk by serving as an intermediary. It helps you find suppliers who are accountable and trustworthy. Some sellers will have a verified badge like this one. You can see the store rating, response time, repeat purchase rate, etc. These features can significantly reduce some common sourcing risks and improve your chances of finding suitable partners. You get lots of filters such as verified suppliers only in China with low minimum orders. This large scooter looks exciting and trustworthy based on the seller's credentials. When you're ready, choose the quantities of each color and press Start Order. I went with 3,000 for each color because the per unit cost drops at that volume. You'll be prompted to create an account. I just logged in with my Google account that already had my shipping address. Then I simply place order. It's quite easy. Now let's find a good water bottle supplier that can provide customization. I took a screenshot of this trending bottle and pressed the suppliers tab. You can see that AI drove the discovery. Now I'll press the filter icon and select verified supplier. You might go with verified pro instead. I will also check off full customization, but you might only need minor customization. The AI recommends this supplier with 8 years on Alibaba.com and a 94% on-time delivery. Notice the reorder rate of 27%. Alibaba Lens can also be used to reimagine what products to sell. Start with a product you love, then get products similar to it that can be customized. Here, I started with a charging device I own that I sold easily on Facebook Marketplace. I use Alibaba Lens to discover similar products like this clock that includes wireless charging at the top. There's a good chance this would sell well. Since the supplier is verified, my risk is low. Alibaba.com is one of the world's leading business-to-business e-commerce marketplaces with a global network of 200,000 suppliers. It can help minimize the cost of trial and error so you can aim to spend less and sell more. They offer 24/7 customer service in over 200 countries with 7-day dispatch. They offer low minimum order quantities. With their new AI features, you can easily find products and verify manufacturers, design products and promotional materials, and conduct business analysis. I researched tens of thousands of e-commerce sellers and witnessed countless failures caused by poor product selection. My own family went through such costly trial and error. My studies at Kellogg trained me to think with data and structured frameworks. That analysis is much easier today with the AI tools available. Alibaba.com's AI empowers you to make professional-grade e-commerce decisions. Head over to Alibaba.com and give it a try. And be sure to download the Alibaba.com app.